Why sync your nutrition app with Apple Health?
Syncing your nutrition app with Apple Health lets you track food, calories, and nutrients alongside your other health data. This integration simplifies monitoring your daily intake, supports personalized goals, and makes it easier to share comprehensive health information with your doctor or fitness coach, all in one convenient place.
Check compatibility. Is your app supported?
Not all nutrition apps sync with Apple Health. Before getting started, check if your app supports integration. Popular choices like MyFitnessPal, Lose It, and Cronometer offer Apple Health syncing. Visit your app's settings or support page to confirm compatibility so you can avoid setup frustrations later.
How to connect your nutrition app to Apple Health.
Open your nutrition app and look for Apple Health in the Settings or Integrations menu. Select Apple Health, then follow the prompts to grant necessary permissions. You may need to enable specific data types, like calories, carbs, or vitamins. Allow your app to write and read data as needed for the most accurate tracking.
Customizing data sharing settings.
Fine-tune what information gets shared. When linking your nutrition app, Apple Health lets you choose which data, such as calories consumed, nutrients, or water intake, to sync. Open the Apple Health app, tap your profile, and select Apps under Privacy to review and adjust data sharing preferences at any time.
Troubleshooting and tips for smooth syncing.
If syncing isn't working, try these tips. Make sure both apps have the latest updates. Double-check permissions in Apple Health settings. Sometimes logging out and back in or reinstalling the nutrition app can fix problems. For persistent issues, consult the app's help or Apple's support resources for more guidance.